Hello and welcome in today's video. Today we're gonna present you.
What's in our tool bag?
Oh!
Usually when we go somewhere, I go to the workshop and pick a bunch of tools.
Yeah.
And bring them with us in this bag.
Yeah.
Maybe you've seen it in the back of the car.
We usually use this one.
And then when we get back, we need to put all those tools back and so forth and so forth.
Yes.
I got sick of it.
Oh my god.
Now the plan is over past couple of months.
This is huge.
That's what she said. I've been collecting tools that we use most in the car.
Oh my god. This bag is humongous.
And I have collected some tools.
Wait, this is new?
This is brand spanking new.
Oh my god. Let's see. Oh wow.
The essentials. Oh fuck you and your fucking motorcycle, you fucking fuck. What?
Wow.
This is upside down. So the essential tools.
Cool.
Small pliers. I don't know when I need to cut cables with this.
Is this a little saw?
Yes.
What for?
No idea.
Branches?
Probably. Yeah, I think it's a metal saw. I think we're going to exchange this with something more useful.
Oh really?
Yes, because even when I'm doing electricity, I do not use this.
Oh really?
But we actually use this.
What?
For circlips.
Oh, these.
So they can go there.
Ah, this is like a pencil case. This old school pencil case.
This is an adult pencil case. Now I buy my own pencil cases.
Okay.
And let's go. I don't know how I'm going to put all of this
I
together.
have these pockets.
Yes. You're going to use it. You use most of them. And another one.
But how are you gonna wait? Just
What?
a minute. How are you gonna close this?
That is a good question.
Because this is you need to squeeze it. Yeah, it should be like this.
Okay, it will be like this. We have multiple tool bags if it comes to that.
Wow.
I did not think of that.
Oh, it's unbendable here. It has some rod here.
Yeah. This is our socket set that we use most in the car.
Socket set?
Yes.
With
the exact same socket set that we use every time we work on the car.
okay. But this is also new, only for the car.
Yes, this will live in the car forever.
Wow. Our car has more baggage than we do.
We need to sharpen this.
Ah, it's an X. Where is this gonna be?
This is dull as fuck.
Yeah, it came dull.
Wow. We're going to put it as a placeholder.
Yes, put it there. Just to show it.
What do we have here? What is this? Should we take this or
Let me see
this?
dilemma. The smaller one.
The size is the same. Almost the same.
No, it's not.
Wait, what do we have here? The essentials plus Torx.
There.
We do not have this.
Everything.
Yeah. This is coming with us.
Oh, okay. I think none of this will
Ever be used.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
that is a good thing. If you do not use your recovery tools, I think this is a good thing.
Okay, yeah. It really looks like a doctor's bag. You're like a car doctor now. Like you came with a...
Actually, I do have that car stethoscope.
Oh yeah, right.
Remember that?
Yeah. Oh, come on, we need to make a picture of that.
A breaker bar.
Oh, let's see. Big one.
Greasy one. Brand new breaker bar. Why? Because it was 10 euros.
Phew, that's
10
a deal.
euros. I do not want. I'm not going to think about it. If we break it, we're just gonna weld it. No, seriously.
Okay. Okay, you're cleaning them all.
Yeah, because most of this comes pre-lubricated. A little bit too much sometimes.
Okay. Does it fit perfectly?
It will fit.
Okay. There's still plenty of room.
Oh, we have here plenty of stuff to. What is it? These are small sockets.
Should we open it?
Yes, we're going to open it. We bought this 3 or 4 years ago.
Really?
To the guy who invented this packaging. You're probably dead. We all hate you.
Is it a guy? Who knows?
I would presume it's a guy.
There's a little pouch for it.
Because it is quite old, yes.
Yeah, okay.
There's a little pouch. Wait. I need to do something first.
Can I use it as a wall?
Probably.
Oh, no, I cannot. There is no place for anything.
Actually, it's marked. Wow.
Yes. Oh, you're washing these also.
Yeah, they're all. When you make something in a factory, you put a thin coat of oil on it.
Oh god, this is so small.
Do we need that? We don't need that.
What? Why?
It is useless. We don't have power tools with us.
But... Can I put those in?
Wait. Those are less priority. This is a bigger priority.
What?
You bought me these?
New pack.
No.
No.
Those are the ones that you bought me.
What are they called? Branches.
Oh, that just fits. This will go here. This fell down here. Okay. This can go by this side. What else? Oh, we need this. I learned that we need this in the car. Oh, I damaged it. God damn it.
Scalpels.
Oh, this is also great. I just exchanged my gloves.
Okay, hammer. You think we will need a hammer?
I hope not. I mean, we have an axe.
Oh my god, we will have the like best equipped car ever.
No, so you have a lot of people telling you what you should bring with your car. You need this, you need this, you need bullshit here, bullshit there. Listen, if you work on your car, you know what you need with yourself on that car.
Okay, that's true.
Oh, we have adapters. Oh, I also bought this. adjustable wrench.
Show us.
An adjustable wrench. I forgot about it. This is for the valve stems.
Oh.
Half an inch to 3/8 and 3/8 to half an inch for the breaker bar.
In the pocket.
That will go here, just like that.
On the breaker bar.
What else? Oh, I think this is. Oh, I know. We also have
What?
this
Another adapter.
3/8 to 1/4. I
Another
hate
pocket.
it.
Cool.
I
This?
think this is the size for our spark plugs. You
That's
should really
useful.
check that.
Okay.
I mean, you should really check that.
Yeah. Oh, basic
Is it
rope. Like the cheapest one.
It is a rope. Let me
Very
just.
thin one. Okay.
Oh.
You need a chair for this, really. Oh wait. No, this do not fit.
You're right. This does not fit.
I have outside pockets too.
I know, but I want most of the tools inside. So what is 12? Why does it go to 12 and not 13? Why? You useless piece of junk. I need a 13 more than I need 12.
We have 13 on our car.
Yes.
Okay.
All
we should
M8.
get one.
We have it in that bag.
No, then it's fine. This is a small pack.
This is what you give to your colleagues when they break down. Here you go.
Breakdown?
Yeah, here you go. That's all you need.
Where they have a breakdown or what?
Wait, how do you...
What?
Where are you supposed to put... Oh, there's another red... Oh, okay. I was lost for a moment. I did not see this one here.
Okay, yeah, me neither.
Oh, this is an adapter.
Adapters go there. Does it fit?
Who thought about this?
Oh no.
No, it does not fit.
Uh-oh.
Oh, maybe it goes here. And this
yeah.
goes here.
Yeah.
These are the two pieces that we need from this kit. And what
Okay.
is this? This is just... Oh, this is the part that we throw away. 5mm. 5, but you don't get 5.5. 5.5 is very useful. It's hard to get.
Okay, 7 and 8. And now these. But where would you put them if you got rid of this little handle?
What little handle?
I can just put it from top.
Yeah, but it's pointing down. Oh, it is... We're discovering such new horizons here. This is also the useful one for the big bolts on the car.
No, I mean, we have this.
We're not throwing that away, we're throwing this away.
Yes, I know, but where are you gonna put these?
With this adapter. But we have this.
Yeah.
And this.
We actually don't need this.
This is just a novelty item.
Just a cute thing.
Yeah. And it's orange. I don't like orange,
and
but
you need to pack it by yourself.
that is how they get you. You think that you added value to it.
Yeah. Oh, look at it, how cute.
So cute and cuddly. This takes a lot of space like this.
Yeah. And almost full.
Wait.
Of course. Straps, yeah. Pockets.
Stuff like this is going on the outside.
Yeah, that's a good idea, yeah. Do we have them on both sides?
No.
Oh, these are just open pockets.
This will go here until we find something better to put there.
Okay.
This will go inside.
This is what?
Okay, so we have some gloves.
Strap for
We
the
have
bag.
thick gloves
Oh,
for when you need to work on very hot stuff while it is hot.
and you need some lighter gloves
Yes, we
For-
have lighter gloves. Yes,
for removing fallen trees.
we have stuff like this. And I need to get a pack of those disposable gloves.
A whole pack.
Yeah, the whole pack is going in.
Make a smaller pack.
Smaller pack, like
Yeah.
just 50 of them.
Yeah.
How can I leave it just 50 of them? Something fell into here. And it's never going to... Oh, I see it. But that X is really useless. I think we're going to sharpen it today. This is also going with us, and I concluded
Yeah.
that we need to take one of these with us for the tires.
Ah, okay, yeah. This will fit. But this, can we take a smaller one?
Yes, you're right, but I wanted the big one. Oh, this fits. Okay, this fits. Can it go here? Onto the bottom? It's not the bottom, but close enough. Where can I put this? Here. So it rubs against other stuff.
Nice.
Yeah, that's how you make it fit.
Okay, is that all?
This
No, it's not. Oh, essentials.
jumper cables,
Essentials. Very long ones.
a 5-meter one.
Yeah.
We made those. And all of this is going into the other bag.
What else do you have?
Some ropes.
Okay.
And this fits here.
Yes. Yes, it needs to fit.
No.
Oh my god, no. Oh my god, what is...
This is taking a lot of real estate. But if we put it like this, and then this we put on top, maybe you'll get better at this.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'm still missing. I'm missing one plier set. Did I bought it? Did I lose it?
What kind of pliers?
So we need to put this somewhere.
Oh my god. That's huge. You're gonna put those big stuff.
We'll figure it out. As I said, this car is never finished.
Yeah.
We need to check the spark plugs. So what is this? 21.
Okay, we'll check this later.
Yeah.
Close this bag, so we're finished with it.
And hopefully we don't never need it.
This is an emergency bag.
Yeah, it's really full.
Yeah, it really is.
Like think this is messing with us a lot.
No, it needs to stay inside.
Wait. Let me see if... Yeah. To put that in another bag.
Can you re-loop it, like...
No, it's quite tight in here. Okay.
Okay.
Let's quickly sharpen our X.
Okay, this is how you sharpen. Let's see. Is it hot? Oh, yeah. Oh. Is it good enough? Oh, you almost did it. You have a speed hole now.
Yeah. We need to buy zip ties
For the car.
for the car. Yes, this needs to cool down a bit.
Okay. Axe sharpen.
Now the question is, was I better off just buying a sharper axe in the beginning?
No.
No. Okay.
Is it hot? Oh yes. Okay, what do we have here?
Some ropes, a shovel, low-cost shovel. I'm not pleased, but it will do for now.
It's compact shovel.
Yeah, X is not going there. Zip ties. Oh, I have something very important. Something that Apple astronauts use all the time that saved their lives on Apollo 13.
What?
Duct tape.
Oh, of course.
You do not know the story, right?
No.
Their module broke
Oh, really?
and they were more than halfway to the moon.
Oh, cool.
It was not a nice situation.
I mean, yeah, not cool that
And
this
then
happened.
they had a problem. They needed to put a round peg in a square hole. I'm not kidding. That was the problem.
Okay.
And then ground control, there are some warnings, got all the stuff that they have with themselves on the spacecraft.
Okay.
And then they helped them to put a round peg, a square peg into the round hole.
Cool. Okay.
This acceptable.
Okay, tell us, where is this all going?
Aha! More bags.
Of course. Ah, this is a small bag. Small bag for the rope.
We will have multiple small bags because they were very cheap and we bought a lot of them.
Okay.
So I think this one...
It's full.
No, this is the square one. We have the triangle one. I'm just
Like this
thinking
one.
what to get. We can still put stuff into this one. But I don't know what. This is coming with us.
Oh,
I don't know why,
big strap.
but it seems useful.
Okay, so this is ropey stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe this small rope should also go there.
No.
No, okay.
Another bag. Packed.
So this is not what's in our bag, it's what's in our bags. Multiple.
You are correct.
Plural.
Once again, you are correct. What now?
Okay. Another
Let me just
bag.
think.
What's in this one? This
the
is similar
This is a triangle.
to this one.
This.
It's smaller.
A bad shovel and a bad axe.
Where is the little bonnet?
Bonnet.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that is not the way to sharpen an axe. Somebody will get really mad, but it is sharp enough to chop a branch that is in our way.
Axe sharpening purists will get to you.
They will threaten me with their very sharp knives.
What is this? It's inside of the bag.
This one?
I don't know. No, you remove it from that one.
Did I?
Yeah,
Well, whoops.
but we don't need it.
We'll put it on the bottom to make it rigid.
And you do it like this. No?
Just like that. You know what we're missing?
Mm-mm.
A toe strap
Toe
for
strap?
towing,
Ah, toe. Okay.
not for your toes.
Okay.
I know that is a bit confusing, maybe.
Yes. Okay. Ready? This is what? Oh, a little brush. This is for toes. I mean, it's for nails.
Yes, because you're planning to put a faucet in our car.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And the soap, we need a soap.
We'll put it somewhere. What is hampering my progress here? This? Yeah, this is much better. Okay. So we need zip ties. We're missing zip ties for this one.
What do you mean?
We're missing them. I don't know if I have unopened zip ties.
Zip tie is found.
What size is that? 3.6. So we need thicker and thinner ones.
It's good to have any zip ties.
Yeah. I concur. No,
Stop making noise.
Yes, we thought about the same thing at the same moment. We need to get a towing strap.
Where is it?
We need to buy it.
Ah, we're missing stuff.
And we need a hand winch.
Okay, look, this is a Christmas rope.
Oh, this is the one with the Velcro. I don't want that one. I want this one.
Ah, we'll also need one bag for
what?
cooking stuff.
You will get one bag for your cooking stuff, yes. We need to ask our cousin to give us some of that cooking gas.
Uh-huh.
We forgot about
Yeah.
it. I will fix his computer and he'll give us some cooking stuff. I think that is a fair trade.
Yeah.
I know you can be in here. Oh, yes, yes, yes.
There is more room there.
There will be more stuff. Can I put this here, maybe?
Yes.
It's not really...
Comfortable.
No, it's not really... How do you say it? It does not have inside pockets. compatible.
Oh, it's not compatible with anything, but it needs to fit somewhere.
You know what? We don't need all of this. Breaker bar, check. We don't have extensions. We do not have big extensions. So let me make a list. Safety glasses, zip ties.
Okay, stuff that we are missing.
Zip ties. First aid. A fire extinguisher.
A towing strap.
Tow strap. A lighter. Just look around and what else is useful?
Angle grinder. Kidding. Oh, so small. I like small and cute things.
I noticed.
Huh?
So we can air down our tires easily. A big bag, small bag.
These things.
I don't know where to put
Do
them.
they
at the
fit in
moment.
a box?
In the box? I think they actually fit in the box. Yes. So tomorrow before we go,
We'll pack all of that.
we'll pack all of it
Oh my god,
in the car.
our car is so much heavier now.
Yes, that is how we make it comfortable. Oh!
Heavy.
Well, we put a lot of pieces of metal inside, so you tell me.
Wait, you're cleaning already. Are we done with the video?
Don't know, I'm just taking the dust off from grinding from the table. Because you know that gets everywhere. So this thing, I don't know why we need this thing, but
But you like it.
yes, I like it. Do we need it in the car?
No, it's too big.
But
No, too big. It's not practical.
okay. This?
Of course.
I found that this is extremely useful. This is for pulling things out. So wait, let me just put a note for that. So as always, this is a process, a project, and it's never finished. And that needs to go in the car somehow. Oh, here it is.
What?
This is a luxury.
What?
I know that this is a luxury, but it's a luxury that I want to have.
What do you have?
Ratchet spanners.
Oh.
I hate opening these boxes. How many times do I need to cut this before it gives up?
It's stupid. It should be in a carton box.
We have a better equipped ratchet spanners in the car than we have in the workshop.
Yeah, these are really shiny. Wow, look at that. Wow.
That's just to attract your attention. That does not help with anything.
Okay. Just like that.
Yeah.
Tailor it too.
Oh, seriously, we're driving a Suzuki Samurai, and you're worried about rattling cargo. The whole car is rattling. We actually can go to the shop and buy all the things and get back in time.
You think so?
Yes, I think so. We went to the shops and we got some goodies.
10 of those
Yes.
to make a chain.
Now to strap things down if we need to.
I know.
That can go here. That can go here. We got
We got a lot of stuff.
I like this style because when it's not.
Stretchy one.
Yes, because our car is light, and when you're not pulling on it, it stretches back so it doesn't drag on the ground that much.
How long is this? 3 meters?
Elastic toe strap.
Okay. Never
Don't
mind.
know.
Okay, will it fit?
Yes, I will make it fit.
Nice. We also have those tightening straps.
We'll use them to tighten all of these
Bags.
tomorrow. So this is the rope box.
Yeah.
We should
Bag.
get a bag. We should get a marker.
Yeah.
Mark it. Just a minute.
Extra lights.
Yeah, and those are always good to have.
Fluorescent vest.
Yeah, because the law says that we have
Because
to have it.
safety.
Safety 78.
Uh,
This fit in a box.
Yeah,
yes.
this is a first aid kit.
And this fit in a triangular box.
Surprise!
If you can't tell, they were cheap.
How many bags do we
What's
have?
in the box?
Bag.
What's in the bag?
Okay, cool.
Okay, this will be our. We have the triangle, safety triangle.
Yeah.
This
is a baggie.
That is what you put over the rope
Ah,
when you're towing, so the other cars know that you're not tailgating,
okay.
that you're actually towing.
Okay.
Safety glasses, of course, because when you're under the car, you do not want stuff in your eyes. We got
Zip ties.
medium zip ties, small zip ties, medium zip ties, and large zip ties. This is for the workshop, for you, because yours are quite worn out.
More safety glasses, and I got these.
What the hell is this?
Yeah, I saw it and I don't know what is going on.
Why do I need it like that? How do you get it off?
Oh, maybe it's to make a net or something.
Okay, I will not cut it.
Don't cut it for now. We
now.
will figure it out.
But tomorrow I won't be that gentle.
Here.
No. Somewhere else. I know that we're mixing and matching, but
Yeah. Okay.
this will be so we can tighten our
This is the most yellow strap
ever. Yes. And we got a humongous fire extinguisher.
Yay!
We need to still see where we are going to put it.
But we are kind of safe now.
We have a safety vest, nothing can happen to us. That is what I learned. If you have a safety vest, you're fine.
Yeah, that's true. This protects you.
Yeah,
Like an invisible cloak.
like a visible cloak. We're so funny.
Wow, I think we're ready now.
We need one more pliers.
Yeah. But for tomorrow we're definitely ready. Okay, how many bags do we have? One large bag and 4 small ones. Plus things that go into the box. Oh my god.
That's going into the car and never getting out.
Yes.
Just like that. Fire extinguisher. It says 3 kilos, but I think that's 3 kilos of powder.
Yeah.
Can you pick this up and wield it, or is this too heavy for you?
Let me try. It's fine.
Yeah, like that.
Not
Put your arm out. Like this.
like this. How can I? Oh, not stable, but it's fine. Yeah.
So this is your specialty. This, and this. And what is this?
It's a net.
And I will give you what? A square bag? Square bag.
Oh my god, more bags.
As I said, can you tell that they were cheap?
I need to get some cooking pots.
Yeah, you can put some, so you get a sense what you can put in here.
Yeah, when you get a cooking equipment, you got in one big pot and everything will
Okay,
fit
so
in there.
that can fit here.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, definitely.
And this is
But we
your
also
stuff.
need to get some, I don't know, small plates, bowls, and cutlery. But yeah.
So this is your bag, your specialty. We're running out of space on the table.
Yeah. Okay, so that's 6th bag.
We're not finished yet.
Not.
Oh, we'll just make a small pickup tomorrow when we put everything in the car.
Okay.
Do we need a toaster?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So I think that this is not an unreasonable amount of stuff to carry around.
Well, okay.
What do you think?
I think it's a lot. I would take much less.
I mean, this is everything that you will ever need. Like
I
ever.
know, but
And I do not want to stop in our house or in the workshop and take.
oh, yeah. By the way, this is just paper.
I will put some more stuff here. And I do not want to think about did we pick something or did we not pick something. This can actually all fit on the bottom shelf
I like to be ready.
and it can be snug.
Yeah.
We need a lot of stuff so it doesn't move around. Big brain.
Okay.
Big brain
I
right
will
here.
Think about that big brain.
I'm proud of ourselves.
Okay. Is that it now?
That's it.
For now.
For now. After
I
so
know
many-
you are not satisfied yet. I know.
I'm missing 1 pliers and 1 vice grips.
Okay.
Actually, we're going to take these ones because we usually do not really need them in the shop. And I think that will be good enough for most of the things that you will ever need.
Okay, we will report to you if we ever use anything.
Oh, there will be a video, certainly. We need to take some valve stems with us.
What?
So we need a small baggie.
Some what?
Valve stems. Tomorrow we'll pack this and go on a road trip.
What do you carry with you in your car? Do you have also a lot of stuff? Less? More? See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.